So, I decided I'm gonna make videos. Try to make them every day, even though it's gonna be hard because my family's gonna be here. So, this is my first video, and I'm sitting on this roof, and here, let's just do like a 360. Yeah, I'm sitting up here, and we're gonna go down to the beach, which is down there. It's not that far. I hope people don't think I'm talking to myself, because I'm not. So, I'll probably be uploading a video every day. You'll probably see some of my family members, because they'll probably walk in on me recording videos and be like, "What are you doing?" Like, recording videos. I saw a person, and you can probably hear me talking. I bet you all the neighbors are going to think I'm crazy by the end of the week. And my hair is never going to look good this week. It's going to look bad every single day. Moisture and wind. And you probably can't even hear me because of the wind. So yeah. Am I the only one that does that and like licks this off of the thing? So, I don't know. And then on Saturday, whenever I get home, like next Saturday, I'll be able to edit videos with my camera. So, goodbye for now. I'll see you tomorrow or later.